Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Google Authenticator on Bybit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application into your phone. Then after that you will get to see this add a code option. Just simply tap into that or tap into this plus button at the bottom right corner, and after that you'll get the option of enter a setup key or scan a QR code. Now into your Bybit account you just simply have to go into 2FA verification section, and into there you just simply have to get the QR code, and after that open this scan a QR code option, scan your QR code from the Bybit. Then after that, your 2FA will successfully be enabled into Bybit and you can use Google Authenticator for Bybit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.